Getting ISO 27001 certified can be challenging, especially as a busy IT manager with an inbox like this, a task list like this, and multiple projects to juggle. We get it. Since you're so busy, let's explore the process of getting ISO 27001 certified with DataGuard in 2 minutes or less. Start the clock. It doesn't matter whether you're a newbie who knows nothing about information security or an experienced professional. DataGuard's solution is built for anybody to use. Meet your customer success manager, Sarah, who'll get to know your business, your goals, and create a project plan. Complete a gap analysis by answering user-friendly questions about your business. Meanwhile, Sarah locks in a date for your external ISO 27001 audit. Meet your InfoSec expert, James. James works with you to build an audit-ready information security management system, complete with documents, policies, and assets. Integrate your existing tools to save time. All in all, our approach reduces up to 75% of the manual work it takes to get ISO 27001 certified. Complete a risk analysis, closing some of your biggest risks within weeks of working with us. Our platform guides you step by step, but if you have any questions, just ask James. Next, not one but 2 InfoSec experts from DataGuard review your ISMS during the internal audit. That's right, 2 experts for the price of 1. What could go wrong? Well, nothing. Because so far, our customers have a 100% first try pass rate on external ISO 27001 audits. With us, you can enjoy the warm, fuzzy feeling of being ISO 27001 certified, protecting your company from its biggest threats and empowering your entire team to safeguard your most valuable data. The best part is, we work together long term. That means your ISMS stays up to date. New risks are mitigated, and every employee is trained to detect and mitigate threats year after year after year. We offer the most seamless path to ISO 27001, no matter what your level of expertise. Reach out to us today for a chat and a demo.